Welcome to an exciting journey at the intersection of technology and artistic expression. Today, we delve into the captivating world of generative AI in art. This is where the magic of algorithms breathes life into pixels, creating unique and compelling masterpieces. Generative AI, a fascinating subset of artificial intelligence, has found its canvas in the realm of visual arts. As we navigate this innovative landscape, we will first explore the remarkable concept of style transfer. Let's begin our exploration with the remarkable concept of style transfer. Style transfer is a process where an AI model takes the characteristics of one image and applies those stylistic features to another image. Picture the vivid swirls and vibrant hues of Van Gogh's Starry Night. Now imagine those same artistic elements breathed into a photograph of your favorite cityscape. That's the magic of style transfer. This process leverages the power of convolutional neural networks. These networks analyze the unique brushstrokes, color palettes, and textures of famous artworks. The AI then uses this analysis to transform an ordinary image, infusing it with the artistic style of the analyzed masterpiece. And the result's nothing short of breathtaking. A simple selfie can become a Picasso-inspired portrait. A snapshot of a city street can morph into a Monet masterpiece. The possibilities are endless. From turning the mundane into the magnificent, style transfer has captivated artists and enthusiasts alike. Now, let's dive into the realm of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These are not just another set of algorithms. No, they are a powerful class of artificial intelligence models that have the capacity to generate entirely new images. And how do they do this? By learning from existing ones. Imagine this. An AI system composed of two neural networks aptly named the generator and the discriminator. The generator, as the name suggests, takes charge of creating new images. The discriminator, on the other hand, evaluates these creations. It's kind of like a dance, a creative dance between the two. Over time, the generator learns, grows, and evolves, honing its skills to produce increasingly convincing artworks. And the result of this dance? Well, let's just say it's nothing short of breathtaking. Generative adversarial networks have opened up incredible avenues for artists. With a few inputs and parameters, the AI generates variations, expanding and enriching the artist's original idea. This allows artists to explore and experiment with artistic concepts in ways they hadn't dreamed of before. From surreal landscapes that blur the line between reality and fantasy, to abstract compositions that challenge our understanding of form and color, GANs are pushing the boundaries of artistic creation. They offer us a glimpse into the infinite possibilities of the digital canvas. They remind us that in the world of art, there really are no limits. From surreal landscapes to abstract compositions, GANs push the boundaries of artistic creation, offering a glimpse into the infinite possibilities of the digital canvas. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the fascinating world of deep dream and neural style transfer. Both of these remarkable techniques are further proof of the limitless potential of AI in the realm of art. Deep Dream, a project by Google, uses AI to transform ordinary images into dreamlike, mesmerizing visuals. It works by leveraging a neural network's ability to detect and enhance patterns within an image. The result? A simple photograph can become a vibrant psychedelic tapestry, teeming with intricate details and patterns that seem to spring from the depths of a dream. Meanwhile, neural style transfer takes the concept of style transfer one step further. It doesn't just apply the stylistic features of one image to another. Instead, it beautifully blends the essence of one image with the content of another. Imagine the dramatic swirls of Edvard Munch's The Scream, seamlessly blended with a serene landscape photograph. The result is a completely new artwork that carries the emotional intensity of the painting and the realism of the photograph. These AI techniques have opened up a whole new world of artistic possibilities. They allow us to see images in ways we never could before, adding layers of complexity and imagination to the visual landscape. It's like witnessing the imagination of the machine. Deep Dream can turn a photo of a garden into a vibrant tapestry of patterns, and neural style transfer can blend the essence of a painting like The Scream with a serene landscape. As we've seen, generative AI in art is revolutionizing the way we create and perceive art. We've journeyed through the transformative power of style transfer, the imaginative possibilities of generative adversarial networks, and the surreal landscapes of Deep Dream and neural style transfer. These algorithms are not just imitating art, they're creating it. This exploration of AI in art is just the beginning. The canvas of possibilities is vast, and we've only just dipped our brushes into the palette. Through style transfer, GANs, deep dream, and neural style transfer, AI is not just imitating art, it's creating it. This is just the beginning of the AI art revolution.